If you're looking for a course that will introduce you to the world of SQL Server, then this course is for you. Here at CloudWeAre, we offer SQL Server training, and this course will teach you how to download, install and configure SQL Server. My name is Gary, and this course is designed for people with zero experience in SQL Server. With over 20 years of experience in SQL Server with Microsoft certifications, I will share you my knowledge with you so you can gain superb knowledge on how to use SQL Server. After you've watched my course, you will be able to use your new knowledge of SQL Server to confidently configure SQL Server to start you on the journey on creating powerful new database systems. We will also go through some great tips on how to learn for your next challenge in your career. This course is designed with practical examples, and also you get to try out creating your own SQL Server database with a hands-on approach. The only thing you need to complete this course is internet access and a computer with Windows installed. So what are you waiting for? Let us start you on the journey on learning SQL Server.